Did you know that sports betting doesn't directly affect your credit score?
That's right.
Credit scoring models like FICO and VantageScore don't track your betting or gambling habits. But here's the catch. Sports betting can still impact your credit score indirectly. Let's break it down. First, if you use credit cards, personal loans, or other borrowed funds to place bets, it could hurt your credit score. Here's how. Increased credit utilization. Carrying a high balance on your credit card can spike your credit utilization ratio. That's a major factor in your credit score. And if you can't repay those borrowed funds on time, your payment history, the most important factor in your score, takes a hit. Second, financial strain from betting losses can make it harder to pay other bills like rent or utilities. Missing these payments can severely damage your credit score. Third, applying for loans or credit to fund your betting can lead to hard inquiries on your credit report. And finally, chronic betting losses can result in unmanageable debt. If this leads to defaults or collections, your credit score could suffer long-term damage. Here's how to avoid these pitfalls. Bet responsibly. Only wager money you can afford to lose. Never rely on credit. Avoid borrowing for betting. Skip the credit cards or loans when placing bets. Monitor your credit. Regularly check your credit report and make sure you're staying on top of payments. If sports betting is causing financial strain, don't hesitate to seek help. Financial counseling can be a great step toward regaining control. Remember, your credit health is in your hands.